Join me as I take this mini PC to the next level by upgrading it with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a super fast 500GB M.2 SSD. This little powerhouse is about to get a serious boost, and I'm excited to share it with you. With 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500GB M.2 SSD, this mini PC is ready to take on more demanding tasks and deliver a smoother experience. We've all been there, stuck with a PC that's just not keeping up. Slow processing speeds, limited storage capacity, and the frustration that comes with it. It's like watching paint dry, waiting for your computer to respond. The mini PC market often gets a bad rep for being underpowered, but what if I told you there's a solution that packs a punch? These tiny computers can be surprisingly capable, given the right upgrades. For users who need a reliable machine for everyday tasks, a mini PC can be a great option. However, the stock configurations often leave much to be desired. That's where upgrades come in. Adding more RAM and a faster storage drive can breathe new life into these compact computers. The upgraded RAM allows for smoother multitasking, while the 500GB M.2 SSD provides ample storage and lightning-fast loading times. This mini PC is no longer just a cute little device, it's a capable machine that can handle demanding tasks. Its small size and sleek design make it perfect for any room in your home or office. The best part? It's incredibly quiet and energy efficient, making it a great option for users who want a hassle-free experience. Let's see this mini PC in action. I'll boot it up and show you just how snappy it is. With a few applications open, it's handling tasks like a breeze. The SSD is making all the difference, loading files and programs in seconds. Gaming on this little machine? It's a pleasant surprise. The upgraded RAM and SSD ensure smooth performance, making it possible to enjoy your favorite games without the lag. The responsiveness is impressive, and I can easily switch between tasks without any noticeable delay. This mini PC is proving to be a capable little machine. The combination of 16GB DDR4 RAM and a 500GB M.2 SSD has transformed this mini PC into a compact powerhouse. For users looking for a hassle-free experience and decent performance, this upgraded mini PC is definitely worth considering. If you're a fan of mini PCs or have experience with similar upgrades, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you're looking for more content on PC upgrades or setups, be sure to check out my other video on optimizing your computer for gaming. Office Mini PC, Intel 13th Twin Lake N150, 16GB DDR4 500GB M.2 SSD, Dual LAN Mini Desktop Computers support 4K Dual Display /USB 3.2 Wi-Fi 5 BT5 RJ45 built-in 45 watts power supply. Brand OUMAX. Operating System OS. CPU model Celeron. CPU speed 3.6 GHz. Cache size 6 MB. Graphics card description integrated. Graphics coprocessor Intel Graphics 24 use 1000 MHz. Memory storage capacity 500 GB. Memory slots available 1. Specific uses for product Office Mini PC /HTPC Zoom meetings Skype run Office, CAD, PS, PR, Education, Business. Intel Twin Lake N150 processor OUMAX Mini PC comes with Intel Twin Lake processor N150 and Intel UHD graphics, using 10nm lithography process. Equipped with Intel UHD graphics processor. Performance improved 34% compared to the N100 Mini. Support for auto power on and fast for business office, social media surfing and more. 16GB DDR4 plus 500GB SSD and built-in power supply. The N150 Mini PC is equipped with a single channel of 16GB DDR4 memory, enjoying ultra-fast speeds. With a 500GB M.2 SSD, you can expand the storage space up to 4 TB. More storage space will make the mini PC multitask smoothly and adapts to a wide range of software, while built-in 45 watts power supply. High-speed network design and Wi-Fi 5 and BT5. The mini PC utilizes dual gigabit Ethernet as the network interface. The dual LAN mini PC supports Wi-Fi 5, enabling smooth streaming and speedy downloads. Built-in BT 5.0 allows for effortless pairing with various peripherals. Small PC, you can connect to multiple wireless devices, such as mice, keyboards, surveillance devices, projectors, printers, and more. Abundant port. The N150 Micro PC features multiple interfaces: HDMI, 1 AC jack, 1 3.5mm audio jack, 2x HDMI ports supporting 4K at 60Hz dual screen display, providing high-definition video output and flexibility of multitasking. With 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports boasting a transfer speed of up to 10 gigabits per second, seamless data transfer and device connectivity are effortlessly achieved. Ultra-quiet and package list. The N150 Mini PC features and the efficient thermal management system allows the fan to run at low, a large heat sink, and an aluminum plate. By equipped with ultra-quiet technology, the Mini PC is able to drastically reduce noise during operation, allowing users to enjoy a quieter working environment. To enhance the overall comfort of the user, the package includes 1x OUMAX N150, 1x power adapter, 1x user manual, and 1x HDMI cable. See more product details.